Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you've built a stand-in, please donate on Roblox Mobile, and people have donated Robux to you. You're probably wondering how to claim those Robux and put them in your account. Well, you're in the right place because today, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Just follow along with me until the very end. First, if you try to do this from the app, open Roblox, make sure you're logged into your account, and tap on the Robux icon in the top right corner. However, from this screen, you can only purchase Robux. You can't claim your donated Robux. To claim them, open any browser and go to roblox.com. Tap on Continue in Browser at the bottom. Once the website loads, tap on the Robux icon again in the top right corner and then tap on My Transactions. Here, you'll find any pending Robux donations. They may take up to 7 days to appear in your balance, but usually it's between 3 to 5 days. If you can't find them, enable the desktop site by tapping on the 3 dots in the top right corner, then follow the same steps. That's it. Just wait for the pending Robux to appear in your balance. I hope this video was useful. Please like, comment, and leave your questions in the comment section. I'll answer every single one of them. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.